Well, I didn't mean for this to happen, but kind of bought myself a little birthday present. If you follow along, you saw a jig table we built a few weeks back, and I ordered some clamps, and it took a little while to get them, about 2 weeks. Not sure why, but I think they're going to be exactly what we need. All right, so here's the jig table we built a few weeks ago. 5/8 holes, 5/8 diameter holes, 319 of them on a 4x8 table. It took us a lot longer than planned, and I went through a few drill bits, but we got it done. Ordered the clamps. They finally showed up today on my birthday. Happy birthday to me. And here they are. 3.5 by 6.5 is what they say they are. I'm assuming this is 3.5. This is more than 6.5, but anyway, 5/8 studs sticking out, and they basically go in just like that. They're actually pretty snug. I like that. And basically what you do, you have an item down here that you clamp, and when you clamp down on it, it actually puts pressure on that and locks it in place. So why not get 10 of them? And I'm gonna do a little video on this, and we'll put it up on the YouTube channel maybe tomorrow. And I'll tell you where I got these, because I got a killer deal on them. Most places were 20 to 30 bucks. And well, like I said, I got a deal on them. So I think they're definitely gonna work out very well.